Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete items from Google Collections. Actually very easy. Now the first thing I want you to do is just open up a Google right here. And then if you come here at the bottom right, you'll actually see activity. So I want you to tap on that. And then if we scroll it down right here, you'll see collections. So click on collections. And here you should be able to see all your collections that you have, whether it's private or public. So I have this one right here, flowers, and these are all of them. So you can click on any of the collections, right? Let's say this one right here. And to delete it, just click on the three dots, click on remove. That's all you have to do. That item, as you can see, has been deleted. If we go back right here, as you can see, we have nothing in our collection. And you can delete this collection entirely as well. You click on those three dots, click on delete collection, and then tap here on delete. As you can see, it is gone. We do not have any left. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.